Today, we will show you how to create branded newsletters in Gmail. Let's explore Gmail's Layouts feature and find out how to build a professional newsletter with your company's logo and colors. Gmail's Layouts feature allows you to transform your plain messages into something much more eye-catching. In addition to selecting a predefined layout, you will be able to add logos and control the colors, fonts, and images in your emails to match your company or personal branding. Personal accounts at gmail.com don't have access to layouts. Step 1. Open Gmail in your browser and click Compose. Step 2. Click on the Layouts button, which looks like a subdivided rectangle. Step 3. Click on the Default Styling button to add your company's logo and other styling details. Step 4. Choose a template from the Layout gallery. You can click on any template to preview it on the right side. Step 5. Click Insert and edit the content of your newsletter in the Compose window. You can change the images, modify the header, remove sections, and add links to the buttons. It should be noted that the available options vary depending on the layout you chose. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips or visit workspacetips.io.